Guys, Sir Ricky, please come over here. Hi guys and girls, good evening. Please meet Mr. Ricky Lee, the famous scriptwriter. And
Very
Madam
nice.
Chanda
Hi.
Romero. She's very famous on Baguettes. I love your Baguettes movie, Madam. Your role is very remarkable. And then I saw your trailer, Espantajo in Santa Lucia.
Panoorin niyo po.
Yes, madam, please invite them.
Through the run of this, ang dami namin theater, so wala kayong dahilan na maghahanap pa.
Yes, yes.
And congratulations to Judy Ann, our best actress.
Yes, madam.
Maraming sorpresa ang Espantajo. At PG yun ha, pwede niyo isama mga bagets.
Yes. Madam, I'm gonna watch Espantajo maybe
Maraming salamat.
tomorrow or the next day when I go to Bicol with my family. Absolutely, I support it. I'm gonna support your movie, Madam Espantajo. I saw the trailer just this late afternoon. Your role is very fierce and I love your acting, Madam.
Thank you. Manood ka.
And even before that, I love your, especially, I really remember your role in Baguettes. I really love that movie.
Ako din. Iconic yung pelikulang yan. I enjoy
Even your
the-
role. You know what, guys and girls, we just bug in just few minutes from now and I just want to introduce to you Sir Ricky. But please don't, please.
Hindi, dito naman
Yeah,
ako
okay.
sa background.
Sir Ricky Lee, I am very grateful to meet him before because he helped me a lot.
Sa ABS.
Yes, in ABS during my struggle days. Sir Ricky Lee, just wanna thank you until now for your help. I'm totally broke before, Madam, and then he's there during my hard days.
And I have two films.
Yeah.
Green Bones and Saniman.
Yes, we will support that, sir. I'm also interested for the Green Bones. Madam,
Yes.
would you like to invite our viewers or do you have your fans for the coming projects that you have?